All right, we are going to analyze the question above. The question says we should find the value of I6, that is the current I6. All right, we are going to be solving this question using Kirchhoff current law. All right, so don't forget, we are having this node here, we're having a node here, we're having another node here. All right, so let's call this point point A, this point point B, this point point C. All right, so we are going to apply KCL at A. All right, so at A, let's check at node A. Now we have I1 coming in, we have I3 coming in, and we have I2 going out. So the summation of current that is entering into node A is I1 and what? I3. So we're going to have I1 plus I3 to be equals to the summation of current that is going out, which is I2. All right. So what is I1? I1 is 2 ampere. So it shows that 2 plus I3. Do we have I3? No, we don't have I3, which is going to be equals to I2. What is I2? I2 is minus 3. All right. So for us to get the value of I3 will be equals to minus 3. We move this 2 to that side, it's going to be minus 2. So I3 will be equals to minus 5 ampere. All right. So we are also going to apply KCL at node B. So apply KCL at B. All right. So to stand at point B, the current entry I2 is entering, I4 is also entering, I5 is leaving. So we are going to have I2 plus I4, which will be equals to what? I5. All right. So what is I2? I2 is 2 ampere plus I4. Do we have the value of I4? No, we don't have I4. All right. Equals to I5. Do we have the value of I5? We don't have the value. Sorry, please. I4 is already on the board. I4 is minus 1 ampere. All right. So minus 1 ampere equals to I5. All right. So I5 there, 2 plus minus 1 is 1. So I5 will be equals to 1 ampere. So we are also going to apply KCL at node C. Apply KCL at C. All right. So we apply KCL at C. So I5 is entering, I6 is also entering. So we're going to have I5 plus I6, which will be equals to what? I3 is leaving, so which will be equals to I3. So what is I5? I5 is 1 plus it is I6 we want to look for, right? Equals to I3. What is I3? I3 is minus 5. Minus 5. So if we send this one to that side, I6 will be equals to minus 5 minus 1. So I6 will be equals to minus 6 ampere. So it shows that the value of I6 is minus 6 ampere. So this is how to go about the question. I hope this question is well simplified. You can comment that in the comment section. And mind you, don't forget that we have a well structured material on circuit analysis that is going to help you to pass your various examination, any kind of exam, be it fundamental of engineering, PE, GATE, and so on and so forth. Stay tuned for more.